Base 10 models for place value. Groupable models. Groupable models reflect the relationships of ones, tens, and hundreds and are those that can be made from a single pieces. So if you look below, you can see the example of the big hundreds, the three groups of tens, and the 2, 4, 6, 8 single ones. That is an example of groupable models. Pre-grouped or trading models. Pre-grouped models cannot be taken apart, meaning you cannot take one group of 10 and make them 10 singles. When single pieces are accumulated to 10, they must be traded. So if a student has 10 single pieces, they can be traded for one 10 piece, but they cannot reverse it. Non-proportional models. Non-proportional models are only used after the student has had exposure to the concept of place value. An example of a non-proportional model is money. So a lot of times non-proportional models can be used, they need to be used after the students have been exposed to base 10 models, but it is set up for students who are struggling with understanding the base 10 model. So most students are familiar with money. You could use 10 pennies and trade that in for one dime. Students understand that 10 pennies equals 10 cents, so they can trade it in for a dime. You could use 10 dimes because each dime represents 10 cents, and they could trade that in for $1. So really, non-proportional models are just used to solidify the learning or help the students who may be having a little bit of a hard time understanding the material.